Wouldn't it be nice if the supports and actions that had previously been identified to address a key issue for students would just come up the next time that key issue is identified? And wouldn't it also be nice to have a space to brainstorm solutions to a key issue? As part of the conversation during meetings, a key issue can be identified as a word or short phrase in the meeting template, with space to elaborate on the context of the key issue if necessary. By expanding on the blue suggested area, the system will then automatically suggest supports to address the key issue from both the school's continuum of supports as well as the WeCollab student support network. There's also space to then brainstorm additional possible actions to address the key issue. When it is time, the supports or actions can be selected, and they'll be added to the appropriate area of the meeting note template so that those responsible for enacting the support or taking action can be identified. Schedule a conversation with our WeCollab team to learn more.